Okay, this time we've redirected our speed line in a different way. We're actually using a lowering line. We could use a long dead-eye sling very similarly. We chose to use the rigging line because it's a fair distance away from the anchor. Notice the angles that the lines form. The closer we can stay to 120 degrees with our rope angles, the lower our force will be. Now this time we've anchored our redirect slightly differently. We've actually used ground anchors. Let's take a look at how we've done this. Here at the ground anchors, we're using a self-equalizing sling. This is actually an I&I sling. We've attached into this heavy pear-shaped quick link and then woven it through the eye of the ground anchor and then back around the pear-shaped quick link through another ground anchor, and then the eye is again back onto the pear-shaped quick link. This way, whichever direction that the porter wrap and the sling here is pulled in, the load is equalized on the ground anchors. Okay? Then we have our porter wrap attached to the pear quick link, and we've taken our wraps and cleated the line off, and here we've established our anchor for the redirect.
We've rigged up our next piece to be run down the speed line. Here I've just taken a loop sling, a 10X loop sling, choked it off on the limb, and then girth hitched it onto this heavy-duty steel carabiner. We've locked the steel carabiner down and attached it to the traveler assembly. See, we've got our speed line and our control line. Now I'm going to make my cut on the underside here and then finish with a top cut. Now, even though it's easier for me to cut on this side, I really don't want to, because you see here I'm on the inside of the rigging system. This is where I don't want to be. So I'm actually going to come out of this, set myself up, and cut from the other side. That way I'm out of the rigging and in a safer spot.
Stand clear. All clear.